How Great Leaders Inspire Action, Simon Sinek, Part 1. How do you explain when things don't go as you assume? Or better, how do you explain when others are able to achieve things that seem to defy all of the assumption? For example, why is Apple so innovative? Year after year after year, they are more innovative than all their competition. And yet, they're just a computer company. They're just like everyone else. They have the same access to the same talent, the same agencies, the same consultants, the same media. Then why is it that they seem to have something different? Why is it that Martin Luther King led the civil rights movement? He wasn't the only man who suffered in pre-civil rights America. And he certainly wasn't the only great orator of the day. Why him?